Hi all, my name is Kirtan. So, so I am passed out of 2017 batch. So I have started from robotics club in IIT Kanpur, and then I have moved to SAE club. So and throughout my 3 or 4 years, I have been part of SAE club. After my second year, uh, I had my internship at Ather Energy, which was startup at that point of time for electric vehicles. After my third year. After that, after finishing my bachelor's, I worked at Mahindra and Mahindra for a year almost, and then I switched to Ather again. I have worked there for a year at least. There were, and after that, I have switched to Ohio State University. So I'm pursuing my master's right now in the field of robotics. I'm more interested towards the physics of any mechanical system. So I think pursuing a career in core field would have made better choice for this, and I did that. And I think I had plenty of other opportunities in terms of designing mechanical systems and exploring the physics of those systems. So I thought that was the right decision in terms of choosing a career in core field. And role of SAE was very significant in building this kind of thought process. So by the third year, I think I have decided that it is the right decision for me to go into the automotive. And luckily, I got an internship at Ather Energy. By that time, I have never thought of working in electric vehicle company, but after an internship, what I've seen there, I was really thrilled. Like absolutely amazing because there were plenty of underlying challenges and opportunities for innovation I have explained earlier. So, the thing which motivated me for an to pursue this career and to which made my experience amazing was I could see my designs going on the vehicles, and there is nothing more we can think of, right? As an engineer, if you are a fresher, like if you are a fresher in a company and you are designing something and that is going on the vehicle, that is not small. That is really significant motivation. So I could see those things going on. I could see people were valuing my opinions in terms of design, in terms of product development. So in those sense, I would say it was definitely interesting. So for traditional vehicle, we have traditional IC engine vehicles, and if you compare it with the electric vehicle, so electric vehicle is different at several fronts. If you, for example, there is no battery pack in the electric in IC engine vehicle, there is no motor in electric vehicles like high torque motor. So there are implementation challenges in electric vehicle. So there are changes which are significant in electric vehicle. But for instance, if I have to talk about like very rudimentary component, let's say for horn. So for horn in IC engine, you just have to connect it with the battery source and the switch, and once you press the switch, horn will blow. But in the case of electric vehicle, the thing is really complex. You cannot do this directly. For components such as horn, which is very rudimentary, and you have to make significant changes for a horn. So you can imagine like how many changes you have to make for a bigger component like motor or battery pack. For IC engine vehicles, more or less every single process has been already established. So there are not much efforts you have to put in. However, on the electric vehicle side, there are plenty of things you can innovate and there are plenty of things you can think of. So considering these aspects, I would say my experience was thrill. It was full of thrill. I absolutely loved it. I wouldn't be surprised at all if I see a significant number of vehicles on Indian roads after within next decade, I would say, because most of the Indian automotive manufacturers have already started working on the electric vehicles, and I would say within a year or two they will be launching their electric vehicles. For example, Tata or Mahindra or Bajaj or TVS, everybody is ready with their electric vehicles. And on top of that, we have like plenty of startups who are working on electric vehicles. People have started buying the vehicle. So I think the change in thought process of the people will increase number of vehicles on the roads, which in turn increase the profit of the companies and which will bring the mass production into the picture. And then I think we will have more money for research and development. As an individual, as I have explained, you have to think of plenty of other things. Like if you are developing a component from scratch, so you have to go through like very extensive and very complex product cycle. So I think that that can make someone to think of very different aspects on product development. It's not just that you have designed something and that is going onto the vehicle. So it will, I would say, it will mature an individual as a better designer, and that will definitely help in your further career. Even if you are going from even if you are going from technical role to managerial role, this experience in R&D would definitely help. I would say definitely anybody can start from research project and something, a hands-on project. But what have I seen from my experience as a freshman? A fresh a project which can give you hands-on experience is definitely much more motivating, and that can teach you a lot of things. So there are several clubs right now at the institute which you can which you can be part of and learn these things and to figure out whether you would like these things in future or not. So I would say SAE club is best destination for you to start with. But on top of that, there is electronics club. There is a robotics club too. You can go and explore these clubs too. If you definitely want to explore EV in particular, I would suggest to be a part of SAE. As for the second year, it's very difficult question. What he can do, what they can do in the summer period. So either you can work in some club or you can work in some under some professor on some project, or if you can find an internship, I would say that that would be the best if you are able to find an internship in industry. I wouldn't say there is anything specific that someone needs to build a career in this field. The only one thing I can say is the right attitude that you need to build a career in this field. I would say just start exploring the just start exploring which you can think right at this point of time, and do not think what you would be doing after 3 or 4 years, because I would say in first year somebody don't have enough knowledge of different things to take a better decision. I would say better guess. So as a first year, you can start exploring things. You can start going in different clubs. If you are interested in EV, you can go into SA. If you are interested in robotics, you can join robotics club. So yeah, depends on what you think, right? Just you have to do that. And there is no specific skill set, but I would say the experience which you would gain through this club will definitely help you in getting better internship offers and better job offers. What I would say is, if you are thinking of something as a potential career option for you, just start exploring that and don't think that it's the end. If you think you might not like it in the future, you can do that. Because if I think of myself, I started from robotics club in first year, then I switched to SAE club. Then I went to IC engine vehicle development, then electric vehicle development, and then now I'm pursuing my research in robotics. So I think you will realize throughout these experiences, and don't worry some about that something that you are doing right or wrong. Everything is right at this point of time.